Welcome to the new episode of BCD Tech. In this episode, I will show you the full review of Samsung Galaxy Trend. I am Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is my Samsung Galaxy Trend recently purchased from Samsung India. Now in this video, I will show you the full review of this phone. For my previous video on this phone, please click on the link flashing on your screen. Now first of all, I will show you the hardware layout of this phone. On the right side of this phone you will find a power on off button. You can use this to bring back your phone from your sleep or standby mode. On the top of phone you will find a 3.5mm headphone socket. On the left of phone you will find a volume rocker keys. On the bottom you will find a microphone and that your USB data syncing or a charging port. On the back of this toy you will find a 3.2 megapixel rear camera and a loudspeaker. On the front of this device you will find a main hardware button that can be used to bring back your phone from sleep or a standby button. You will find a capacitive 2 button on the front of this device. On the top you will find a main receiver speaker and there is nothing, no sensor, no camera on the front of this device. Now I will show you the star hash 0 star hash menu on this device, that is your test menu. From that you can see the performance of this device. First of all I will show you the color reproduction, that is a red color. The red color appears bright red. The green color appears a parrot green, whereas the blue color appears as sky blue. So I have go to this sensor portion. Now this is receiver speaker. As you can see, the receiver speaker is quite loud, whereas the vibrator motor is vibrating well. Now if you see the dimming portion, the dimming is quite responsive, whereas the mega camera, that is your main rear camera, it is working properly. As you can see that it is not a quite big sensor, so it is not taking a good quality images. Now I will show you the sensor. This device has only one sensor, that is accelerometer sensor. Now I will show you what this accelerometer sensor can do. It can rotate or detect the orientation of your phone. That is your performance of this accelerometer sensor. Now I will show you the touch response of this device. As you can see that this touch response is quite pretty, but you can find subtle problem on the end of this display. Now inside this display, this sensor is working properly. The touch response is quite pretty. Now as you can see, the device goes right in this sleep or standby mode. The speaker of this phone is quite loud and the sub key of this phone is working properly. There is no lag or no lag in performance in this keys. Now I will show you the Android version on this device. Go to setting and then to about device. As you can see that the model number is GTS7392 and the Android version is 4.1.2. let's see, this is a Jelly Bean version, and when you press this Jelly Bean version you will find that this Jelly Bean game on this Samsung Galaxy Trend. Now I will show you the storage capability. You can find that inbuilt storage of this device is 4 gigabit, and out of that I have only 265 MB left. I have installed various applications on this device so that I can show you the performance of this device. Now as you can see, the miscellaneous file counts 1.90 gigabit because I have installed certain a huge application list on this device, so it is consuming lot of space. Now if you see the touch response of this device, this touch response is quite pretty. You will find a Samsung Touch UI on this phone. Here you can see the pinch in, that you can find whole of home screen while pinching on your screen, that is home screen. You can also switch between your home screen by tapping that home screen. Now I will show you the pre-installed application on this device. As you can see that there is a bit huge list of this pre-installed application. Here is a huge list of these widgets that is pre-installed on your device. If you see the downloaded application, there is, I will install quite bit of applications so that I can show you the performance of this device. Now I will move toward the one by one the pre-installed application on this device. The first application that you can find on this device is a calculator. This is a stock calculator that you can find on this device. As you can see that while rotating this display you cannot switch to a scientific mode because the display resolution is quite low. So this calculator you can find on this device is a basic calculator. Now I will show you the calendar application on this device. You can see or switch between the month view while tapping from any edge of this device. You can also see the whole month view. Here you can find all appointments. The next application I want to show is a camera. As you can see that camera application is nicely or prettily built, but the camera sensor is not so huge. Now as you can see that you can switch between various shooting mode, or there is various scene mode. You can also switch between the various effects and also between the switching mode. You can also switch a panorama, smile shoot, sheer shoot, or you can also attach a GPS tag, adjust the image quality, white balance, brightness, etc. on this camera application. Also you can switch between this camcorder and camera mode. Now I will show you the camera performance, the picture quality of this camera. As we tap this button to take this picture, now I will show you the image that is captured by this sensor. As you can see that the color representation of this camera is quite pretty, but the resolution is not so good. The next application that is installed in your device is Chaton. Now I will skipping this and move towards the next application, that is Chrome. As you can see that this is a Chrome browser. Now I will try to search my video. As you can see that the keyboard layout is quite pretty and you can easily type on this Samsung keyboard. Now I want to play this video. Now it is asking for me to complete this section with YouTube or Chrome. I will choose this YouTube. Now as you can see that this YouTube is taking too much long time to play this video. I think this YouTube application is crashed. It is crashed now, so this video is not running on this YouTube application. So I will try to load this application through this Chrome. Now let's tap and load this application with Chrome. Now as you can see that again it is asking whether I want to load this video with the help of YouTube or Chrome. I will choose this Chrome. Now this video is loaded up. As you can see that the video reproduction is very pretty on this Chrome application. You can use this Chrome application to watch our channel. This is a Chrome browser. Now I will show you the brightness setting so that you can find the difference. As you can see, the brightness set to maximum level, so the brightness of this display is not so good to see. Now let's move toward the next application. I'm skipping this clock, contact, download, Dropbox, email, and now let's show this gallery application. You will find all of your pics and video here. As you can see, this is our image that I have recently taken with this while making this video. Now next application is Gmail, Google. Now I am skipping this Gmail and just show you this Google application. From this application you can easily search anything on internet. Now I am skipping this introductory portion so that I can show you this Google. No, maybe. Now as you can search with your voice command, who is Manmohan Singh? As you can see that this engine search or recognize my voice very nicely. Let's try with another thing. Who is Sonia Gandhi? Yeah, it search or it recognize my voice.
Who has served as president of the Indian National Congress Party since 1998.
Now let's move to The next application, Google setting. Here you can set all of your Google stuff. Google Plus, that is Google Talk, now change to Hangout. Google Maps, that is your memo application. Now I will show you this memo application. You can use this application to store your memos. The messaging, the messenger, my file, this is a location where you can see all of your stuff, all of your file that is installed or that is stored on your phone. That is your main dialer. This is your stock dialer. Press 1 to go through this voice and press hash to switch between this vibration and silent mode. The next thing is playbook, play game, play movie, play music, play store, and that is your radio. You can plug your earphone to listen this FM. Now the next application is Samsung application, that is your setting. Now here it is here Samsung application I have tapped. Now let's skipping it, setting. Now this is your main setting. You can also switch between this developer option, that is video player. Here you can find all of your videos that is have been stored to your trend. This is your main voice recorder. As you can see that this voice recorder is recognizing all of
Hello.
voice. Now as you can see that it is recognizing all, capturing voice very neatly. That your voice search, I have already shown you this application. Now this is YouTube. Now this is your downloaded application, so I am skipping this in this portion. Now this completed the full review of this Samsung Galaxy Trend. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is shown on your screen. For more video, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you.